Hello students, today we will start our new unit number 11. Unit 11 is construction. It is very interesting topic in which we have three types of sum. First is sum based on line, in which we have to divide any line into ratio parts. Means suppose if a line is 4 centimeter, we have to divide it into ratio of 3 is to 2, and second is on triangle based, and third is on circle based. We have to draw the circle of different parameters. Question 1. Draw a line segment of 7.6 centimeter and divide it in ratio of 5 is to 8 and measure the both the parts. First of all, we have to draw. This is the construction which we have to draw. First of all, we have to draw a single line of 7.6 centimeter. First of all, we have to draw this line segment 7.6 centimeter. Here we have to write A and this is B end. Now we have to draw an acute angle based on this. Means we have to draw another line to form an acute angle. This is an acute angle. We have to draw an acute angle. This is I have drawn an acute angle. First of all, total parts are 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. First of all, I have to cut a line into 13 parts. See how? By using rounder. First, we have to set a this arc, some length of arc. Means here in this line I have to make a 13 parts. This line on which I have to cut a 13 parts. By using rounder, first of all I put a rounder here, and using arc I have to make a 13 parts on it. Let's see how. First I have to make an arc here. This is first arc, this is second arc, this is third arc. Using arc I have to make a 13 parts. Fourth, fifth, sixth part, using seventh part, using eighth part, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 parts. Using rounder, this is the first of all we have to make this 13 parts. Let's see again how we are making this. First of all, we have to take a center this, and using radius this is the radius. We have to use the center and make arc on it. See how? This is a center, we have to make arc on this. This is a radius and we have to make arc on this. In same way we have to mark all 13 parts as shown nearby construction. And here I have to plot a name also: A1, A2, A3, A13 till A30. Next, I have to make a in ratio of 5 is to 8. Means this is one part, this is second part, this is third part, this is fourth part, and this is fifth part. Using this fifth part, I have to make a arc. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is fifth. Here I have to make a arc. By using this, I have to use arc and make their arc. Using arc here, I have to make a arc. First of all, by using this arc, I have made a arc. See, let's how I have made a arc again. This is the line. First of all, I have used this radius and I have to make a arc. By using here again, I have to use this center this as point and arc here. So by joining these two lines, by joining this line, so I have to join this line using this arc. This is a line which cuts this arc and we have to make this. And in same way here also, this is A13. First of all, I have to make a arc here. By using this center, this is a center which I use to make a arc. This is a radius, so I made this arc. Now by using this arc with same arc, I have to cut from this is the center and I have to cut this arc. Now I have to draw this line. This is the line. I have to draw this line, and cutting this line, this goes forward and joined above line. So the ratio here, the ratio is, this is the one part and this is the another part. We know that the total length is 76. I have to join here this part, not here. If I am drawing here, it's wrong. Means I have to draw again a arc here. Let's see how I am drawing a arc. First of all, I have to take a radius and make a arc here. This is an arc I have to draw here. See, this is an arc where I have to draw. Again, I have to use this center and make a arc of here. Here, this arc to both arc joints. By using this center and this arc, I have to join this line. This is the line. This is the line which is used to cuts the this line. So we have to draw this, both lines should be parallel, and we have to measure, this is first part and this is another part. I am repeating this sum again. On this, first of all, you have to draw this AB line and you have to make a acute angle here. Means at, you can draw any acute angle, and here you have to mark taking a radius, any radius with center O and A1. This is the O A1. You have to make first cut, second arc, third arc, fourth arc, fifth arc, sixth arc, seventh arc, until up to 13th arc. Here we have to name A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 till A13. Now I have to divide in ratio 5 is to 13. So I came here on the fifth arc. Now I have to make a here arc. This is a arc and I have to make another arc. Means we have to cut both this arc. From this I have to make a single line which parts this through A5 and cut this arc and goes on our line AB. In same way, I have to make a first I have to make a arc on A13 and another arc from here. So I get this line, this points from A13, and by arc this point goes on upper side, and this forms a line is divided into two parts in ratio of 5 is to 8. So the value of AC means first part is 2.9 and second part is 4.7. This is the steps of construction. First of all, you have to draw 7.6 line, draw an acute angle, locate 13 points, A1, A2 till A13, A13, and all arcs should be same. By joining this, you have to draw parallel lines. And on measuring AC, you will get 2.6 and BC as 4.7. You have to try this sum at home. Thank you, students.